5 dumbbell arm exercises for bigger biceps and triceps. Do you want arms that actually look strong not just in the gym, but in everyday life too? The truth is, you don't need fancy machines or a full rack of weights. With just a pair of dumbbells, you can build thick, powerful biceps and triceps right at home. In today's video, I'll show you 5 of the best dumbbell arm exercises that will help you add real size and definition to your arms. These moves are simple, effective, and proven to work whether you're training in the gym or in your living room. Stick with me until the end because I'll also give you some pro tips on how many reps and sets you should do to maximize your results. 1. Dumbbell bicep curl. The classic dumbbell curl is still king for building biceps. Stand tall, keep your elbows locked to your sides, and curl the dumbbells upward while squeezing your biceps hard at the top. Avoid swinging your arms. Focus on slow, controlled movement. This isolation creates tension exactly where you want it, the peak of the biceps. 2. Hammer curl. Hammer curls hit not only the biceps, but also the brachialis, a muscle that helps push your biceps up, making your arms look thicker. Hold the dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing each other, and curl upward as if holding a hammer. The neutral grip is also easier on your wrists, making this a joint-friendly bicep builder. 3. Overhead dumbbell extension. Now let's hit the triceps. Sit or stand tall, hold one dumbbell with both hands, and press it overhead. Slowly lower it behind your head until you feel a good stretch in the triceps. Then press it back up. This exercise trains the long head of your triceps, which makes up a big portion of your upper arm size. 4. Dumbbell kickback. The dumbbell kickback is unbeatable. Lean forward slightly, tuck your elbow tight to your side, and extend the dumbbell back until your arm is straight. Pause briefly at the top before lowering. The key here is strict form. Don't swing your arm. 5. Close grip dumbbell press. Finally, a move that not only builds your triceps but also gives your chest and shoulders extra work. Lie on a bench or the floor, press the dumbbells together above your chest, and lower them down slowly. Press back up while keeping the dumbbells squeezed tightly. This constant tension hammers the triceps while still feeling like a press. To get the most out of these exercises, form is everything. Always use a weight that challenges you, but doesn't force you to cheat. Aim for 3-4 sets of 8-12 reps for muscle growth, or 12-15 reps if you want more endurance and definition. Try to increase the weight or reps every week, even if it's just by a small amount. And there you have it, 5 powerful dumbbell exercises for building bigger, stronger biceps and triceps. The best part? You don't need a full gym setup, just dedication, consistency, and a pair of dumbbells. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who wants to grow their arms, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.